Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 62. We are on Unit 6. How is it made? So let's take a look at Lesson 1, vocab. Activity 1, read and unscramble the words. Number 1, already given answer. So the most popular type of trousers are called jeans. So remember to add S behind this jean word here. And number 2, they are usually made of blue. So when you unscramble the words, the answer is denim, D-E-N-I-M, denim. And number 3, this material comes from the plant. So this is cotton. So cotton, we have double O and double T. So C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. And number 4, after about 6 months, the cotton is ready to harvest. So H-A-R-V-E-S-T. And number 5, at the factory, the cotton is made into yarn. So Y-A-R-N, yarn. Number 6, some jeans are washed with stones to make them, so this is soft, S-O-F-T. And number 7, to make the jeans blue, indigo is added. So this is dye, D-Y-E. And number 8, jeans are usually a blue color. So this is dark, D-A-R-K, dark. And number 9, stone washing changes the color to, so this is light blue, L-I-G-H-T, light blue. And number 10, you shouldn't, so this is throw away your old jeans, recycle them. So this is throw away, so T-H-R-O-W, and then away. Next, we go to Activity 2. Activity 2, complete the text with the words from Activity 1. What can you do with your old jeans? You really shouldn't. Old clothes. So this is throw away. So T-H-R-O-W, away. And number 3, just be creative and recycle them. The next paragraph, jeans are made of a material which is made from a plant called, so this is cotton. So C-O-T-T-O-N. Then this one should be denim. So D-E-N-I-M, denim. After a few months, the cotton is ready to harvest. Then it is made into, so into yarn. So 6, yarn. This is then colored with indigo, so dye. So So dye, dye, so which gives the material its typical blue color. Denim is a strong material, so you can use it to make a useful bag for school. Choose normal, so this is normal. So blue, we have light blue and we have dark blue, so dark. So dark blue jeans, or use stone washed them. Okay, or use stone washed denim, which is light blue. And then the last paragraph, it is also very soft and comfortable. Give your old jeans a new life and help the environment too. So that's it for today. So we are on this year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 62. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can consume the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link, you can click it. You can join my Telegram robot that I developed for free.